Hello, in this video, we talk about agents in LangChain. Suppose that you want to ask a question from a chatbot like ChatGPT to know the temperature of a city like New York. However, our chatbot may not access to real-time data, or it may have been trained on old data, so its knowledge may not be up to date. Using LangChain agents, we can take an action such as a web search to provide relevant data for our chatbot to provide more useful answers. Here's a simple flowchart of LangChain. The user may directly ask a question from a specific large language model such as GPT. LangChain supports various language models. The user can also connect its own data to the language model through LangChain to get more relevant or customized answers from it. For example, he can connect his own PDF files to the language model as an external source of information. After getting the response of the language model, we can use LangChain agents to take an action or make a decision based on the generated response. For example, the agent can call an external API to get more information to be used by the language model. This can be done by LangChain tools. LangChain supports several tools such as Google Search, Python shells, terminal commands, Wikipedia search, SERP API, and many more. We next show you how to design a simple agent to do a search task using SERP API. SERP API is an API that scrapes Google and other search engines such as Bing. Now, let's write a simple Python code in Google Colab to make a SERP API agent. First, you need to install the LangChain package. This can be done by the pip command. We then need to import 3 modules from LangChain so that we can load the tools, initialize agents, and also define an LLM such as OpenAI. Using this command, you can load the GPT model from OpenAI. You need to put your API key here. If you set the temperature parameter to 0, you will get more deterministic or less random answers. We now define a list of our tools and load them. Here we just use the SERP API as our only tool. After that, we create an agent and initialize it using the loaded tools and our chosen LLM. The zero-shot React description is a generic type of the agents, and you can use it in many tasks. Finally, we run the agent by feeding our question or query as an input to it. The agent gets the response from SERP API and feeds it to the LLM to get our answer. We can also use a specific wrapper for many tools in LangChain. For instance, we can use a wrapper for SERP API. We then create an instance of it and feed our question or query to it to get the final response. Moreover, we can specify some custom parameters for each wrapper. For example, we can specify the search engine, the location, the language, or other parameters. LangChain supports many tools. The list of the supported tools are growing rapidly. You can check the official website of LangChain to access the complete list of such tools with their documentations. You can also build your own custom agents and tools. We will show it in another video.